What's up, guys? So today, joining me in a very exciting video, Red Bull South Africa has invited us to go to M-Fest. So we are joining them as friends of Red Bull, and we're going to see what's happening there today. And we'll be doing, I think it's gonna be new in the channel, a vlog style type, and see exactly how that does as well. So I'm very excited about that. So our package includes the M Drift package, and I guess it's a VIP ticket, and we'll see exactly who we get to meet there as well. So yeah, stick around and we'll see how that goes. Okay, so we've arrived here at Kyalami Grand Prix, and yeah, let's see how it goes. It does look a bit busy on there, and yeah, so it's very excited for this event. We're actually coming on Sunday. We couldn't get a Saturday ticket, so we got allocated the Sunday one. But yeah, I think we should equally have fun. So yeah, we are inside now, and yeah, there's branding everywhere. So what we're looking for is the Red Bull parking. I don't know if there's a Red Bull parking or there's just a VIP parking, but I guess we'll know as time goes by. So we're just gonna ask this gentleman here exactly where we need to go. This is actually my second time at Kyalami. Funny enough, the last time I came here was for the M-Fest, which was, I think, just after COVID. So yeah, that was the last time I came here. Also, vlogging while driving is not very ideal, but yeah, we'll try to make it work. So it looks like I'm a bit late here because I was supposed to be here around I was supposed to be here around 9, but it's like what, 11:36, 10:36 now, so a little bit late. Full control. Security watching. So now we'll be going in for our M drift lap in the BMW M2. So let's see how that goes.
How have you? Oh man, you're just ruining it. Look at my lips. You're ruining it.
So this is the new BMW M5, and I'm not really sure how I feel about the design of this car. It looks very bulky and chunky, and apparently it's very heavy. The new M5 is heavier than the Maybach S680, it's heavier than the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, the Bentayga S, Rolls-Royce Ghost, and the list goes on. And this specific version has been sold, so clearly maybe there's a market for this car, but I don't think pure M enthusiasts are going to appreciate this car. But I guess maybe when the M2 came out, we all thought it's a very ugly car, and then it grew on most of us. So hopefully it's gonna be the same with the BMW M5. But some parts do look a bit okay, but I don't think it's a better looking car to the previous gen BMW M5, especially looking at the M5 CS. But then, yeah, I guess this is what we have to work with now. So you're joining me in the M135, the new M135 interior, and I think they've done a really great job in terms of how it looks inside. The finish, the quality. This is leather. This is leather with M stitching on the top. Everything else here feels, I think this is leather or plastic, I'm not sure, but everywhere it feels really nice. There's no squeaky noises. Everything feels solid. So that's the BMW interior quality that we all know and love. But I guess when we go outside, that's where we get to, I don't know, there's mixed opinions on that. Some people like it, some people are like, I personally, I don't know. I think it okay, with the M Performance kit, it does look a bit better when it's compared to the normal one, because that one does look a bit naked, and it's just very interesting. If we put this next to the Golf 8R, I think the Golf 8R would definitely stand out more in terms of how it looks outside. But interior, everything is nice here. Another interesting feature of the new M135 is this boost button here. So on the left pedal, when you hold this boost button, you can quickly get all the power that the car is able to give you and do quick pulls and overtakes. So I think on the i30N, it's the same button or the same function as the I think it's the NGS mode, where you can press it and then get like 15 seconds of quick boost. So yeah, I guess you just push back and then get all the maximum power. So I don't think it's even a debate that between the new and the old M135. In my opinion, I think the older one looks way better than the new one. So this is how the new one looks. Take it in, and then this is how the old one looks. Yeah, I don't think there's even a debate. I'm not the biggest fan of the new one. I've seen one with the M Performance package. I'll show it here. And this is how it looks without the M Performance package. Yeah, no. But then I guess it's gonna grow on me, hopefully, because if I'm gonna have to look at this and it's an eyesore for the next 3 or 4 years, I'm gonna be having a very terrible time. I mean, of course, when we go to the exterior, that's where I think the new one looks better with the quad pipes and the 2 pipes that we get on the old one. So yeah, I don't know, man. But then maybe the video everything, almost every other model they're releasing is controversial one way or another.
Beyond myself, I don't know. Leave me here out for myself. Spinning me right up myself. Don't need myself for my wealth.
So yeah guys, that is the end of the video, or rather the end of the tunnel, pun intended. Hope you guys enjoyed this one, and yeah, that is it from me. Peace out.
Can I tell you something?